guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. Today I just want to go over, the weekend. I didn't quite get as much filmed as I wanted to, so that video kind of feels like a flop to me. We're going to try and get as much done as possible. This upcoming week I've got a bunch of stuff planned. Due to it being the long weekend here up in Canada, I spent a lot of time with family. This week I've got a bunch of stuff scheduled. I got introduced to another group of riders that do events weekly, so hopefully I'll be able to get out there more often than, I don't know, when I started doing video. I've already put 1,000 kilometers on this thing just in this last week, going back and forth from Toronto. This bike's gonna get a lot of abuse, but I guess that kind of goes to show what this thing's capable of. Oh, that guy's stuck. There's a wee-woo there, I see you. Yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff planned for the coming weeks. I got some test rides that I want to film for the potential new bike, so that's exciting. There's a CBR 600 RR and then a Gixxer 600. That's what's on the list. That's what we have to look forward to. Obviously, I won't be doing anything crazy on them. They're not my bikes, but nonetheless, content and foreshadowing where we're gonna be. Let me know down below what you guys think or what you would suggest between the two. The Honda's got the reliability. It's a Honda. I think they're slightly more lenient with insurance on the RR than the Gixxer, just because of reputation. But the Gixxer just sounds so good, and I find them more responsive. God, this bike sounds so good. I was gonna think I'm following them. Okay, so slightly on track. The season opener that I mentioned that I went to was a great time. I got to meet a lot of nice people. Got to kind of get a better sense of the community as well. Ran into a couple familiar faces. I also ran into Moto Brew. For anybody who doesn't know who that is, or might, he's on TikTok. Uploads a lot of wholesome content. He goes around with the full cow suit. Actually handed me this bracelet, which I appreciate. I did get some footage from the season opener event. I was an idiot, and my camera resolution, or not my resolution, but the camera, if you have the Osmo, you know that it's got the 3 different, you have standard wide, ultra wide, which I film on ultra wide, which is how you guys are able to see everything. I had it set to standard because that's what I was recording with when I was there, to try and just get like a little, I was filming 4K 60 4K 60 FPS, and I typically film in 4K 30, and I have 2 different profiles. I selected the wrong profile. That was the standard, and yeah, the whole ride home was filmed in the wrong setting. So I will put some clips in, but that's where we're at with that. I apologize. I did get a decent amount of footage to the ride there, though. We can do a little montage. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that little clip session of my trip yesterday. Next video, probably this week, is going to be a full review on this bike, specifically everything about it. If you do have any questions about this one particularly, is the 300EX, first year that they made it. I'll go over everything. Video will also leave links to all of the parts that I got in it as well.